Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the markets and how it is performing. Also we will take a quick glance on which sectors are looking good on charts. But आगे बढ़ने से पहले, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. So today we have Mr. Chandan Taparia with us to tell us what's in store for the retail investor. Welcome sir.
Thank you.
So my question is, what are your insights on the market and what a trader should expect from it?
Thank you so much. Last time we suggested that market is likely to bottom with support of 18,888. It made low near to the same and we witnessed decent recovery of 400, 500 points. Nifty exactly took support near 200 exponential moving average. That is an important level technically. So now we believe this momentum could extend. We are approaching to 50-day exponential moving average. As of now, we believe that till Nifty holds 19,000, 19,100 zone, this rally can extend to 19,650 to 19,800 marks. So positive to range bound bias will continue in the market. We believe support based buying could take the index to higher level. The good part is that FI's long short ratio is improving. Selective sectors are doing well. So stay invested, keep your position intact, be with quality stocks. Talking about Bank Nifty, we have major support near to 43,000. With support of 43,000, one can look for long position towards 44,000. So positive bias. We have already seen some recovery, but some more momentum could be there in the market going forward.
All right. So, sir, what sectors we should be looking out for?
So when I talk about sector, again, we have festivals, so we need to look at certain theme as well. Looking at the sector, positive view on realty counter. Most of the real estate stocks are doing well. Whether we talk about Prestige, Soba, DLF, Oberoi Realty, most of the stocks are giving technical breakouts. So can focus on the real estate counter, can select one or two stocks from the realty. Second, we can focus on the auto, whether we talk about two-wheeler or four-wheeler, can be TVS Motor or Eicher Motor. Then power and energy cannot be ignored, especially when we are looking to ignite the power. So look at the REC, PFC, certain oil and gas counter looking ONGC. Don't forget about exchange related counter, whether we talk about BSC or depository like CDSL. Look at the IT related stocks like KPIT and all. So I think these are the couple of sector need to focus. And don't forget about fashion jewelries, looking at Titan or Kalyan Jewelers or Trent. So I think these are the couple of name of stocks one should keep on radar. These are the sector one should definitely look for next couple of weeks in the market.
Wow, these are the wonderful insights by you. So, sir, as we are entering the festive season, so what are the two key learnings which a trader or investor should keep in mind?
So I think we need to keep the spirit high as we are heading towards festival. So already I've given you shopping list. So use this shopping list for your trading portfolio or investment portfolio. But yes, advice is always important. And we need to focus what not to do than what to do.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I think don't do the over leverage when you are a trader. When you are an investor, cut your losses, ride the momentum. You need to have patience in the market. When you are a trader, need to focus on risk management part. So I think these couple of advice are there from our side as a gift on this festival. Follow that and use the selective stocks to build your portfolio and basket as well.
Thank you so much, sir, for the wonderful advice.
It's my pleasure. Wishing happy Diwali to you and all the viewers. We have given you a shopping list. Use that and enjoy the festival. Have a great time ahead and do search Motilal Oswal for such more update. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.